Good morning. I am Krishnapriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, JJ College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about phylum chordata in zoology. In phylum chordata, three major subdivisions are here. First one is subphylum and phylum. Subphylum is divided into three categories. First one is Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and then Vertebrata. Vertebrata later we will see. First, chordata. Chordata, subchordata, cephalochordata and urochordata, it combined to comes protochordata. Second one, vertebrate. In animal kingdom, the animal classifications are divided into two vertebrates. First one is invertebrates and vertebrates. What is meant by invertebrates? Invertebrates is didn't have a notochord or spinal cord. Vertebrates have a spinal cord. That is a major difference between two invertebrates and vertebrates. First of all, invertebrates. An invertebrate is an animal without a backbone or notochord inside of the body. For example of invertebrates are given below. First one is poriferans, for example sponges, echinoderms, for example starfish, and cnidarians, for example jellyfish, molluscs, for example octopus, annelids, worms, and also arthropods, for example spiders. In annelids, if you take annelids, the worms are round worm, flat worm, and any other worms you can read it. Next one is vertebrates. Vertebrate is a large group of animals distinguished by the possessing of an backbone or spinal cord or notochords, such as it includes the mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fishes. Fishes is nothing that is a fishes. But invertebrates we call as fishes is a fishes. For example of mammals called any one of the mammals, for example shark, birds, any one of a bird, reptiles, snake, crocodile, etc., amphibians, rana, and then fishes. First of all, we take as fishes. For example, it gives a fish. So many fishes are here, but we are take a rare in a seahorse. Seahorse is also one of the fishes. Seahorse are tiny fish that are named for the shape of their head, which looks like a head of a tiny horse. Why it is called a seahorse? Because its structure is look like the faces look like a horse, and then it lives in a seas. So it is called as a seahorse. So it is called as tiny horse. There are at least 50 species of seahorses in India. It looks like a horse shaped with a long tail. The faces look like a horse and it has a long tail to curve something, because the curved tail is used to holding someone in a seize. It looks like a horse shaped with a long tail. Seahorse includes in class of fishes. For fishes, the class includes true fishes. Seahorse swim by using a long fin. It has fins. Most of all the fishes have a fin. For example, dorsal fin, pelvic fins, etc. It has a long fin on their back side and smaller fins on the left and right sides of their head. Mostly it is a fish species, is otherwise called as pisces. And then it is commonly called as hippocampus. Its scientific name is hippocampus. The crown-like structure is the head, that is called as coronet. It forms a group of spines. It consists of so many spines, so it is called as coronet. They have exoskeleton made up of hard bony plates that are fused together with a flesh covering. Seahorse has a prehensile tail. The curved tail is otherwise called as prehensile tail. It independently moving eyes and a broad pouch. It has a broad pouch like kangaroo. The female deposited her egg inside the male pouch. Male carry the eggs for 9 to 45 days. It's a male that gets pregnant and it gives young ones into the pouch of the male seahorse. Then the male seahorse is catch up everything. Type of seahorse. So many types of seahorse is having here, but some of them given below. For example, dwarf seahorse, line seahorse, long snouted seahorse, yellow seahorse, and zebra seahorse. And then we goes to the amphibians. What is meant by amphibian? It lives land and water. For example, salamander and rana frog. Now we are going to talk about the amphibian frog. The frog scientific name is Rana tigrina. Rana tigrina is the scientific name of the common frog. It comes under the order of amphibian. The frog body may be divided into head, trunk, and limbs. We are already know that the head of the frog and trunk is the body and the limbs is the forelimb and hind limb. Forelimbs is made up of it's look like a front leg and a hind limb is a back leg. The flat head contains the brain, mouth, eyes, ears and nose. The Indian bullfrog Rana tigrina is cold-blooded gold-plated animals because it lives in water, so it contains of a gold-plated animals. It does not have a constant body temperature. Their body temperature varies from land and water within the temperature of the environment conditions. Major organs includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, gallbladder and pancreas, etc. Excretory system composed of the pair of kidneys, ureters, cloaca, and urinary bladder. The kidneys have a structural unit called nephron which filters the blood and excretes out of wastages. Ovaries. A pair of ovaries situated near kidneys comprises the female reproductive organ and then testes. The testes are located in the abdominal cavity of the male frog. In the ventral region of the kidney, the testes are made up of connective tissues. And next we are going to talk about the reptiles, crocodiles. The common types of crocodiles. These 5 types are common types of crocodile. First one is in reptiles we are know about the crocodile, but in structure between a crocodile and then alligator it's given below. Crocodile and alligator are the crocodile species and the reptile species. The alligator has a wider U-shaped snout. What is a snout? A snout is a mouthpart of the animal. In alligator has a wider U-shaped snout and then crocodile has V-shaped snouted. Then crocodile are lighter olive green in color and then alligator are darker and blackish color. Alligators are live in fresh water and crocodiles are live in brackish water or salt water. Alligators are eco-friendly in human beings. It versus to crocodiles are harmful to human beings. And also crocodile has a separated 5 toes and alligator have a slightly webbed feet to swim. And crocodiles are light in color but greenish, grayish, etc. But the alligators are very dark in color like green and black. Crocodiles are 8 meters long and the alligators are 3 meters long. Next, crocodiles are dangerous to man and also it is aggressive, and the alligators are less dangerous to man and eco-friendly to the human beings. Crocodile tails are broadly at the end portion in sharp, but alligators are to get sharp and equal in the center portion. Thank you so much, students. Thank you very much.